Hi, I'm Kathi Diamant, and I've been an instructor with Osher Lifelong Learning Institute at San Diego State University for 10 years now, since 2008. And I'm delighted with the series that we're doing now called Conversations Worth Having. Conversations Worth Having takes 5 or 6 different TED Talks. TED Talks are 8 to 20-minute discussions by leading artists and researchers and scientists and designers and teachers on a wide variety of subjects, all presented in videotaped lectures on YouTube. We curate on one subject about 5 or 6 of these TED Talks, and then I help facilitate discussion around them. We've covered a number of subjects, from happiness to being mortal to time and where does it go. The new one is called Weird and Wacky Science, and we're going to take a look at some of the most improbable and sometimes hilarious scientific experiments and research and see how much humor and even silliness plays an important role in science and the public interest in science. That's Conversations Worth Having on October 27th. It's a 3-hour workshop from 9 a.m. till noon, and I hope you'll join us.